Welcome back to another online money hooks review. In this review, I'm gonna be talking about a newly released WordPress plugin that helps you monetize your WordPress affiliate sites for you to earn more commissions. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do. I do a lot of review videos as well as make money online videos and tutorials that I think you guys might find really helpful. So come over to Online Money Hooks and click the subscribe button. That would be really helpful to grow the channel, as well as encourage me to put out more content like this, because that would be a more or less a positive feedback saying somebody is finding this content really helpful. So what is WordPress auto commissions? Well, this is the WordPress plugin that helps you monetize your sites in a lot of different ways. So I'm not gonna take a lot of time on this. I'm just gonna go straight into what it has to offer. So here are some exclusive bonuses that you get. So if you purchase this product today, you get $800 worth of bonuses from the guys that are selling this product. So these are the bonuses that you're going to get. You're going to get a white label rights to their premium WordPress plugin that every site needs. And you're also going to get a $50,000 side income without selling anything. This will be a live training. Then total bonus will be coming to 100 USD for you. So on top of that, I'm gonna be offering you these bonuses, starting with Video S, a powerful video engagement for WordPress that automatically plays videos on your WordPress website when somebody just lands on your WordPress website. Especially if you're doing review videos, this would be really cool bonus for you guys. Another bonus is the WordPress Social that helps you run your social traffic to your affiliate offers, blogs, and all that good stuff. So this is a money making plugin, 100% newbie friendly, does all the work for you, and you get real people and real results, not just bots. So here are some screenshots from an Amazon site, income before using the plugin and after using the plugin. So the other one is WordPress Tweet Machine 2.0 resellers package. You can resell this. This is a more or less a tweet machine plugin. So let's get right into it and look at what WordPress auto commissions does. So how this basically works is it's newbie friendly. It's a simple 3-step process to doing this. So the very first thing you have to do is, once you purchase this product, this plugin, you'll be able to download it. Once you download it, you can upload it onto your WordPress plugin. Step 2 is you select monetization methods you want to activate on your site. So you can just pick from 17 different methods. You can place the same ad on the Google AdSense, or you can create banner ads, you can create text ads, you can create image ads. That's 4. You can create Amazon products, you can promote related Amazon products, you can promote eBay offers, AliExpress products, and Walmart products on all these platforms. There are quite a lot more inside once you purchase this product. The third step, all you have to do is you have to add your info, press save, and you are done. So we're gonna look at a quick video on how this whole process works. So don't mind my OBS. I'm just trying to increase the desktop volume so you can hear what has to be done during this video and how this
Here
whole
is Ankush Shukla
plugin
here, and today
works.
in this video I want to walk you through the WP Auto Commissions WordPress plugin. Now once you install this plugin on your website, you will see this entire interface where you will see all the options, all the ways that you can actually add a new monetization method to your site. Now this includes Google AdSense ads, and then when you see this option, you can just click on add new, and then you can go ahead and add your AdSense code in this block, and then decide where you want to show this. You can actually show it in the beginning of the post, end of the post, in the middle of the post, or after the first paragraph or the second paragraph, etc. You can have it floating on the left side, right side, have some margins. Also decide if you want to show it all across the site or only on specific posts and pages, and then you can choose those or any specific categories as well, right? This is how customizable you can actually do this. Next, you can also go ahead and see another option called the banner ads. Now, when you open the banner ads option, you will be able to also add any number of banners you want and the link URL, and then decide where you want to show this, also floating, and also the locations again where you want to show this on your site. Now, when you go in, you can actually see that this is the banner ads section where it shows. And then here you can see that we have actually shown the banner ad in the middle of the post or at the end of the post over here, right? So in the same way, you can do this for any number of ads you want and add multiple ads at the same time. Next, you can go ahead and add another type of ad called the text ads. Now, text ads are something like this. When you actually scroll down at the end of this post, you will see that we have put some text ads over here at the bottom. So in this, you can actually create your own style of AdSense ads and then put those ads over here. This can be any type of link or any offer you want to promote. It's completely up to you. Next, you can also add image ads. Now these are really cool because then when you add image ads, they appear like this at the end of the post or at the top, in the middle, anywhere you want to show them. This is your own style of image ads, and you can show any type of ad you want, promote any offer, affiliate offers or CPA offers, and then make more money from that. Next, you can also add Amazon products. And this is really cool because you can actually just add some keywords and then Amazon products will show up automatically based on those keywords like this. And it shows the description, the image, and also a more info button, which leads directly to the Amazon offer page for that product, right? Next, you can also add eBay products, AliExpress, and Walmart products. And let me show how that works. You can actually add eBay products just like this. Over here also, we have shown the eBay products at the end of this post, and you can see there's an eBay logo showing up, and you can show the product images, and based on any keyword you want, it will automatically show those types of ads at the end of this post. Also, the same goes for AliExpress products. You can actually scroll down here and see that these are the AliExpress products that are about cats, and these are the products that are being shown over here. You can also add images, add more description, and anything you want will be shown up over here from AliExpress, and you can make money from that as an affiliate. Next is the Walmart ads section, where you can see that these are the Walmart ads. You can see these are products directly coming from the Walmart website, and when people click them, they will be taken to the Walmart website with your affiliate link. Next is the Envato product section, where you can actually fetch any number of products you want from Envato and then show them at the bottom or in the middle of your product, of your post. Like here we have this WordPress theme, we have this photography theme for WordPress, and we have another WordPress theme showing up. These are really good because they pay really high commissions for you. Next is the ClickBank product section, where you can actually add any ClickBank product you want and have these offers over here. These are affiliate links with your affiliate ID already built into them.
Okay, so I'm sure you guys now get the point of the whole thing. It's a really easy drag and drop. As you can see, we have some of the top affiliate marketers highly recommending this WordPress plugin. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, WordPress, eBay, ClickBank, whatever affiliate marketing program you're using that's listed in here, you can utilize this. So you can monetize from Google AdSense, you can monetize on Amazon, from eBay, from AliExpress, Walmart, Best Buy, Envato, ClickBank. It's an easy plug and play ad generating machine that helps you gain some pretty good commissions. So this is going for just $14.95. Price will be going up in the next 1 hour and 49 minutes. So if you'll be here before that time, hopefully you can grab this early bird offer and get going. So this is where my review ends. Probably I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.